Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to solve a deceptively simple equation x.x.x minus x equal x. Here dot means multiplication. So this becomes a clean algebra problem. So let's break it down step by step. So here x.x.x we can write it as x cube minus x equal x. Now bring everything on one side. So x cube minus x equals 0. So x cube minus 2x equals 0. Now factor out x. So it becomes x square minus 2 equals 0. So we get two cases. X is equals to 0 and x square minus 2 equals 0. So x square equals 0 is one of the factor, and here x square minus 2 equals 0, we can write x square equal to, now if I'll take square root both sides, so it becomes plus minus root 2. So with the help of the square root will eliminate. So x is equals to plus minus root 2. So x is equals to 0, x is equals to root 2, and x is equals to minus root 2. So three clean solutions. So did you guess root 2 only? So drop your answer in comments and subscribe for more algebra pattern puzzles.